Dollars and Cents is an engaging way to teach children practical knowledge about the money system. Begin a class discussion by inviting children to name the different coins in our monetary system. Ask them to suggest why we have coins that are different values. Then ask why we have paper money. If they have trouble thinking of reasons, ask a volunteer to compare the weight of 200 pennies versus the weight of $1 bills. They both have equal value, but which is easiest to carry? Continue the lesson by showing students 3 amounts of money using money accents, such as 2 quarters, 5 nickels, and 15 pennies. Ask which group of coins they would rather put in their piggy bank. Point out that sometimes the fewest coins have the greatest value. Place equal amounts of money using varying monetary units. For example, place 2 quarters in one plate and 3 dimes and 4 nickels in the other. Both plates equal 50 cents. Which would the students rather have and why? Increase the skill level by placing 2 differing amounts in each paper plate. For example, place $1 bill in one plate and 25 nickels in the other. Again, ask which would they rather have and why. If the students count carefully, they will recognize that the plate with the nickels totals $1.25. Extend this activity by copying the Dollars and Cents cards template. Trim and affix to sturdy paper or cardstock, then laminate for sturdiness. Deal each student 5 cards, which they will place face down in front of them. Then give each student a paper plate. Place all of the money accents in the center of the table. Taking turns, each student then pulls 1 card from their stack and reads the dollar amount aloud. Have the students count that amount from the money accents and place it in their paper plate. At the end of each round, have students compare their plates to determine which they would most like to have. Another variation would be to place all of the dollar amount cards in the stack rather than allotting 5 per student. Have students take turns pulling a card and reading the amount out loud. Then, have all the students in the group count out money from the accents that equal that amount. How many students use the same variation of coins and bills? As students become more familiar with the value of each piece of money, introduce the idea of how to count out money from left to right, beginning with the largest unit of money available. For example, ask students to count out $10. Is it faster to count out 10 $1 bills, 2 $5 bills, or 1 $10 bill? The Scholastic Money Accents are new for 2013 and contain a whopping 438 pieces, ensuring your small group will have plenty of money for each activity.